Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a scooter that proves everyday riding can be stylish, exciting, and surprisingly premium. This is the Zontes 150X, the compact urban machine built with big bike engineering and the kind of tech you don't normally see in the 150 class. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because we bring you the freshest scooter content before anyone else. Right from the first glance, the 150X stands out with its sharp, aggressive design and full LED lighting that gives it a modern, high-end presence on the road. The aluminium alloy body combined with a steel pipe frame keeps the scooter lightweight but incredibly solid, coming in at a gross mass of just 115 kilos. With a wheelbase of 1375 mm and a comfortable 750 mm seat height, it feels perfectly balanced for filtering through traffic or cruising through town. The overall dimensions, 2,000 long, 790 wide, and 1280 high, make it compact enough for tight city streets while still giving you that proper, confident riding stance. Under the bodywork sits a 150 cubic centimeters single-cylinder SOHC engine, water-cooled, running a high 1:2:1 compression ratio for crisp throttle response. Bore and stroke come in at 58 by 56.7 mm, and fuel delivery is handled by Bosch's intelligent electronic injection system, giving you smooth power, clean starts, and great efficiency. The 12-liter fuel tank means fewer stops and more riding, whether you're commuting or just enjoying the road. And with fuel requirements starting at 95 RON, it's built for clean, consistent performance. Braking is handled by disc brakes front and rear, backed by proper dual-channel ABS, a big step up from the single-channel setups you usually see in this category. Tires are 181/4 at the front and 120/70/1/4 at the rear, mounted on M2.5 and M3.5 rims, giving you confident grip and stability in all conditions. And practicality hasn't been forgotten either. The 150X offers generous under-seat storage and a 146 kilogram loading capacity, making it perfect for daily life, errands, and weekend fun. On the road, the 150X feels smooth, planted, and surprisingly refined, with stop-start technology to save the fuel costs. With traction control system, the chassis gives you confidence at low speeds, the suspension handles rough city surfaces well, and the engine delivers enough punch to make every ride feel lively without ever being intimidating. It's the kind of scooter that turns a simple commute into something you actually look forward to. Twist, go, and enjoy the ride. So if you're looking for a scooter that blends style, tech, efficiency, and pure everyday fun, the Zontes 150X might just be the standout in the 150 category. Let's hope they provide a 125 cubic centimeters version for the UK market. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.